In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Adjust Blender Texture Soft using Krita. To use Adjust Blender Texture Soft in Krita, first select the layer or area you want to work on. Choose the Adjust Blender Texture Soft brush from the Brush Presets docker by pressing F6 and searching for its name. Select the brush, then begin painting over the areas you want to blend. Apply smooth brush strokes and continue blending until you achieve the desired transition between colors and textures. Adjust your brush strokes as needed while working across the artwork. The Adjust Blender Texture Soft brush is good to use when creating soft transitions, blending textured brush strokes, and smoothing painted areas without removing the natural texture. The advantage of using this brush is that it helps produce smoother blends, softer edges, and more natural-looking color transitions while maintaining a painterly appearance. It also gives you greater control over blending textured areas, making it easier to refine your artwork without losing surface detail. And that's how to use Adjust Blender Texture Soft using Krita. Thank you for watching the video.